Hello, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts and checkouts. Today, let's talk about how you can design your cart page. Let's get to it. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu, and under Store Pages, select Cart Page. Click on your cart page element and click on Settings. And on this window, go to the Design tab. Here, you can select whether you'd like this element to stretch to full width. You can also adjust its side padding, customize its background and borders, customize its text font and colors, and customize its buttons and payment methods. So go ahead and customize this however you want to. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Save to save your changes, or if your site has already been published previously, then you can click on Publish Again for the changes to take effect on your live site. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.